Welcome to Visa's Vlog, a homemaker's diary. இந்த vlogல Indian short story writers and their concept of the short stories பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். TRB portion in English literature. This is about the short story writer Ambai and her work, The Plastic God Box. The title of the short story, The Plastic God Box, has its own symbolic meaning. The writer Ambai's original name is Lakshmi. Ambai is one of the popular Indian writers in English. She wrote many interesting short stories. The Plastic God Box conveys the efforts of the mother to make them to be the better citizens. The story describes the love and care given by the mother to her children when they were young, and about the love and responsibilities of the children when the mother becomes the old widow. It was the regular act of Amma calling out the crows, Krishna Rara, Krishna Rara. The places may be in India or in foreign countries. She uses the same language with the same modulation. She gives ghee rice to them as offerings before she eats. Amma is good in cooking. Her pickles are popular in the airport. She prepares milk sweets and gives them to the neighbors. In summer, she prepares vadam and shares them to her friends and relatives. As per the direction of the husband, Amma visits Bharati's house with all her idols, puja materials like kumkum, turmeric and other puja materials. She does not ask any question about the divorce of her daughter Bharati. She accepts everything as it is. So, life becomes simple and easy for her. One day, they go to the house of Bharati's friend Tilaga. Tilaga's mother is the close friend of Amma. Tilaga's mother asks about the morning rituals and puja method of Amma when she is away from her native place. Her enquiry about Amma's puja and her responses and the reactions of Bharati are the main concept of the short story, The Plastic God Box. She gives the reply that she keeps the idols and the puja materials in a plastic box. She does the pujas regularly and after the pujas packs them again and keep them safely. The reply of Amma breaks the heart of Bharati. She got a plan to build a new house with all the puja rooms and the materials to Amma. In the house of Amma's second daughter, Dharani, we met the character, her husband, Sudhakar. He prepares the food for himself. Dharani justifies the action of her husband by saying that he has the freedom to do anything he likes in the house. Amma wants to have the clarification of the term freedom, but she did not make any doubts, simply she is accepting everything. Bharati and Dharani want to make Amma comfortable. They are even ready to sell their jewels for building a new house for Amma. They ask their brother to give monthly allowances to mother to make her comfortable to lead her household activities. Amma is happy that it is not necessary for her to keep all the puja materials again in the plastic box. She is silent but proud to be the good mother. After the completion of the explanation of the short story, I asked the students to write the summary of the story. This is the responses of the student. The responses are very interesting.
Name of the short story, The Plastic God Box, is written by Ambai. Introduction. The short story, The Plastic God Box, is written by Ambai. Her original name is Lakshmi. She is also an Indian writer. This short story is full of emotions and about the love of mother and the daughter. The subtitle, The Habit of Amma. Amma daily in the morning calling the cat and crows as Krishna Rara, and she plays the rice with ghee to the crows. Wherever she goes, she continues this practice of giving rice and ghee to the crows. Subtitle 2. Amma has two daughters and a son. The name of the daughters are Bharati and Dharani. The name of the son is Dinakaran. Subtitle 3. Amma is a very good cook. She prepares pickles and balkova and gives them to the friends of her daughters. Even the airport authorities like her pickles. Amma is always active and brave. Amma and Bharati visited Bharati's friend Tilaha's house. Tilaha's mother was a friend of Amma, so they have a close conversation about puja and rituals. Amma replied that she had a plastic box in which she kept the idols of God and puja materials. Bharati recollected her early days in her house. She gave weightage to the love and affection given by her mother. She got an idea and shared the idea with her sister Dhanam and with her brother Dinakaran. They decided to build a new house in the native of Amma. The sister asked Dinakaran to give the monthly amount for their mother's household expenses. Amma did not interfere in the conversation of the children. Simply she watched the birds and the garden. Conclusion. This short story, The Plastic God Box, describes the love and care of the mother when they were children and the in-turn responsibilities of the children when they grew up, and the mother is in need of the help of the children. The unconditional love of the family members. Amma expresses the understanding of the family members in Indian society.
Thank you so much for your patient listening of the gist of the short story of Ambai, The Plastic God Box. If you identify the tone of the student, please post the name of the student in the comment box. Thank you so much for your subscriptions and for your encouragements. Please give a share of the link to your friends too. Thank you once again.